control design, we will generate here, create a style here, we will use a stroke around it. So we will cut the stroke outside it, change the color for the stroke. I will pick up the gradient for it. These are the options for gradient here. Let's make the changes and the paint around it. I will use the pattern stamp. Here is an option for pattern stamp. You can use the different option. It's a good size, hardness as well.